Hey guys, my name is Deandra. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys are returning, thank you so much. It's my first time ordering from Skims, so I just wanted to do a little review, do an open box review. So I haven't opened the box yet, which it's been really hard not to open this box. I have been so excited. If you guys have any like future requests, videos that you guys want me to do, just let me know down below. And also, if you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram. That way we can be friends. And if you guys don't want to look up my name, my complicated name, then just leave your name down below and I will follow you, because I need friends. You feel me? Especially in this quarantine, I think we all are in need of some friends. So I'm really excited to open this with you guys. I wanted to do an unboxing, just that way you guys can get my like true first impressions of her clothing and the fabric, and if, you know, if the hype is really like worth the hype. You know what I mean? Yes, I spent a little bit more money on this stuff, but I feel like I can like use it a lot. And this is what the packaging looks like. So we're gonna try these babies on. So this is the Skims short. Everything I got was in a size small. This is the biker short, and I will try these on for you guys. First impressions, they do look a little small. They do feel super stretchy, so I guarantee they're gonna fit and they'll just stretch out to your body shape. They feel really nice. They do feel like pretty buttery. And then this band up here, this band is super thick, so I feel like that will like, that's what's gonna like kind of make you look seamless, you know? They're nice. They're better than like, you know, the other ones. I don't want to like bash my other ones because I do love my other ones. Like I wear them all the time. The smoothing short features a high doubled waistband. So I just said that, like the waistband off the bat is super nice. It's thick and high to provide light smoothing and support at your core. And I just love, I don't know, I think most of us, you know, most of us ladies, we like to feel kind of tucked in, like, you know, we like to feel like everything's in its place, right? This short can be worn under clothing for a smooth appearance or alone as loungewear or low impact activewear. So again, that's why I loved choosing this piece, because I can wear it to work out, I can wear it to run errands, or I can wear it under a dress or something I just want, you know, where I want to look more tucked in. I feel like I will get so much wear in these. So yeah, I can't wait. So this one is the soft seamless bralette. When I'm home, I love wearing basic stuff. Like right now, I'm just wearing this like tank top type bra thingy because no one's home and it's hot, and I just usually wear this and like high-waisted shorts. So a bralette is something that I will get so much use out of, and this bralette feels just like the shorts, so I feel like I can match them together. Very soft, it's smooth. I get why it's called the smoothing collection, because yeah, I wouldn't know any other way to describe it but smooth. Just a plain V bralette, and there's no, it's just super stretchy, so I feel like it's going to just really hug your body. Like I feel like these things are just gonna like suck your body. Do you know what I mean? Like just love your body. And I love that. Okay. The smoothing bralette is a sporty, deep V-neck style with a supportive hold that lifts and accentuates your bust. This bralette can be worn alone as loungewear or as low-impact activewear piece. So again, you could wear this to the gym. I'm curious how it's gonna fit. I'm sad. Last thing. And everything's in black. I know. Could you have guessed? I love black. But I know that they'll get worn. Like I don't want to spend my money on something that I'm like iffy about, and I just know that these are basic pieces that I wear every day already. So yeah, these are just a little bit higher quality clothing pieces. So this is the bodysuit, and this bodysuit, again, I am so curious on how it fits my body, because it was $68 for a bodysuit. First thought, no buttons. I don't know about you, but I don't like buttons with bodysuits because I don't like wearing underwear with bodysuits, and I think that's a big thing. Like, do you wear underwear with bodysuits? No, like you don't. I feel like you shouldn't, because it's already going up your ass. it's already kind of like underwear. But if it has buttons, I'm definitely wearing underwear because those buttons would annoy you and hurt you. So I love that it doesn't have buttons. And again, the quality, super freaking smooth. This feels more buttery like than any of those, the bralette and the shorts. This feels more buttery, which I'm like, yeah, you better. You better. It's pretty high on the neck area, it seems like. So the bodysuit features a flattering double scoop neck. So like I said, it just kind of goes a little bit high up, and a thong back that makes it seamless under clothing. Smoothing and seamless. So here we are. Here is the bralette. First impression on both of them, guys. Oh my god, there's a beautiful bird flying. It's butter. It's pure. I'm so excited because I've never had like such quality stuff. You know what I mean? Just, I don't know. I'm like, hold on, I need to chill out. It feels like you're not wearing anything. Like it's just butter. And it just, this sucks me in. These shorts suck me in all the right places. And look how high they go. They just look so good. And so sometimes bodysuit right here in the like the panty area, they'll like crumble up, or like in the butt area. The bodysuit has like, you know, so much extra material. And this hugs your body. And the quality of it, like it hugs your body. There's no extra fabric going anywhere. It's just everything hugs you and loves every curve of you. And I just love that. And a clothing piece, I feel sucked in, and I would feel comfortable in a workout. I would feel good in a workout. She should come up with a workout line. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on and me really reviewing. I know I said buttery a lot in this video, but I'm really shocked on the quality. Like even when I touch it right here, I'm just like, it's crazy how like buttery something can feel and how soft and how smooth. When the smoothing collection came out, I just knew I had to try some of the pieces, and I am so happy with the 3 that I bought. If you guys are considering buying some of her stuff from Skims, just know the quality is what the hype is about. I'm really shocked because I've never put so much into clothes, and I should, because it feels good and it makes you feel good. And that's what it's about, is making women feel good. And I love that. If you guys are interested in the pieces that I picked up, I will link everything down below. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.